na yun. Ay, ito yung gate. O yan. Kaso no ID, no entry.
Ano naman?
Nakasulat.
Nabasa mo?
Hindi. Welcome to Downing Zoo. Yes. Yung university ni Shanchai. Ba yung Shanchai ba yung Chanchay? Ay, nakapasok siya. Ikala ko no ID, no entry. Ayan, nakapasok na rin ako.
Excited.
Tinigawat pa ako. Tinigawat na ako sa layo ng hotel namin. Natatandaan nyo ba yan? Sa Meteor Shower. Ay, garden pala. Oo nga pala, garden yun. Meteor Garden. Yan. O dito daw nagbabike si Sunjay. Totoo naman. Kasi nga, dami nagbabike. Ang daming bike. Oh. Kuya, nakita mo ba si Sunshine? Si kilala mo ba si Asu? Ayan, hindi nila ako sinasagot. Hi! Do you know Sunshine? No.
Sunshine.
No, thank you. Yes, I'm looking for her. Diba? Nang okray lang. Ang gagawin natin dito, naman tayong bike.
Magpipicture nga. Diba, may mga bisita. Ito na mga bisita. Magpipicture din.
Saan?
Ay, mga bisita ito. Magpipicture sila.
Ah, ganun ba?
Oo, kasi nga famous kasi itong lugar na to for
Sige.
because of Meteor Garden.
Puro mga estudyante to, baka manghingipat sa atin ng pambaon to.
Previously on the Taiwan episode 1, we talk about the 1,000 peso challenge. And now, let's see how we do it.
Narating na namin yung Longshan Temple. So dito kami mag-meet. Taga Klook.
Name Like It Formosa. We hope that after you come to Taiwan, you will like it.
First up, Longshan Temple. This is the old religious center of Taipei. They have a lot of gods, so if you wanted to wish something, then this is the right place. Next up, Bupiliao Historic Block. It has been the commercial center of both Chinese and Japanese back then. They believe ghosts are protecting this place. Oh, sounds scary. Bimen Red House. On the side, Taiwan has become the first Asian country who legalized same-sex marriage since May 26, 2017. Taiwan's presidential office and Chiang Kai-Shek Memorial Hall. Amazing history, diba?
Kakababa lang namin ng Bimen Station. Dito kami mamaya maghihintay sa exit number 2 for the tour number 2. Yung tour intense, kaya kung ako sa inyo, mag-prepare kayong matulog, ganyan. Tapos, basta dapat marami kayong lakas. Medyo pagod na kami. Pero go lang. Libre naman. So, push pa rin yan. Naghahanap lang kami ngayon ng makakain. Nandito kami ngayon 7-Eleven. Mas malapit dun sa Bimen Station. Baka malate kami. Kailangan namin bumalik after an hour. Kasi meeting place doon. Sa panibagong tour. Ayan. Meal ko, nagkahalaga siya ng 70. Tsaka bumili tayo ng Sprite. So, 99 lang siya. Ayan.
Taipei Siyahai City God Temple, located in the Daocheng area of Datong District, Taipei. This is located at the middle of Dua Street. And this is Angela, our smart tour guide for this golden tour. North Gate. Before, there's established roads in here. Currently, Taipei Mayor Ko Wen-jae ordered to demolish it and clear the vicinity to preserve the North Gate in 8 days. Wow, isn't it amazing? Taiwan Rail Museum. Dihua Street. The Old Town Market has scores of shops selling a variety of traditional goods. For adventurous eaters, this is the premier spot to buy dry delicacies.
The world's first never-closing bookstore is here in Taipei.
Shops inside the Singyi store. They serve sweet, probably so people can be awake while reading. Taipei 101 displayed the Petronas Towers as the 5th tallest building in the world, measured by 188 foot. Their mini Tokyo, Shimin Plaza. Yat-Sen Memorial Hall.
May nakita kaming isang, manikin na hinulma sa akin. Tignan nyo, wait lang.
Di mata mo. Wait mo ko, di mata mo.
Kalma kami.